Welcome, everybody. Bounty 2 Pops Breaks. It is Tuesday, March the 1st. Freaking Schwartz be with you, mystery boxes. It is a 2-box break, and we did random teams just to your left right there. We've already randomized teams, randomized the customers. We blew the dock up real big so everybody could clearly see their teams. Gave them a couple minutes to trade. An offer, but nothing went down there. Nobody took them up. So here we go. Sorry, Nick. I'm just gonna move one of them right back a little bit, guys. So we got some room again. There's seals. Our first box. Looking ball, you can see the SIG right there clearly, guys. See who the hell that is. Get that out of my way. Bam. The Hall of Fame inscription, guys. Oh, well, I don't know. Sikma. Sikma, guys. I have no clue for a Hall of Famer there. Sikma. It's a nice SIG. Really great looking basketball, man. The Schwartz be with you. Hologram on that. Gonna have to see on that, guys. I have not a clue. All right, well, I'm showing 9 seasons with Seattle. Fucking photo. Yeah, but I'm seeing 9 seasons with Seattle, and who the hell did they become? All right, check that out in a second, guys. Well, not off to a great start there, guys. Hopefully we can come back with a better hit here, man. See, that's the kind of stuff that scares me about getting too many of these Schwartzes. All right, here comes box 2. Yeah, that's what I thought. I thought it was Oklahoma, so gonna be an Oklahoma Thunder hit, guys. Well, really hoping we hit something better here, guys. Well, it's an Adrian Dantley Hall of Fame '08 inscription on it, guys. Adrian Dantley Hall of Fame '08. Yes, it is, guys. Adrian Dantley. Well, guys, well, our first couple balls weren't bad. Last couple are here, little hit or miss, man. Yeah, see, that's the kind of stuff that scares me a little bit on these damn Schwartzes and getting too many of them. Dantley. 7 seasons with Utah, guys. 7 seasons with Utah Jazz. Adrian Dantley. Well, guys, I definitely wish we had hit a little better on those, man. I mean, great looking basketballs and such, man. This one's got, it said the green and such on it. Probably Seattle Supersonics hit should have had that ball. But nice SIGs, Hall of Fame inscriptions, but just not bigger players for us there. So we didn't hit bad in our first couple boxes, but last 2 weren't too great there. Hopefully we can get back on track with some hits there, folks. Yeah, Hall of Famers. Yeah, you see, that's the thing. It was a Hall of Fame series, so I really hoped we'd get something better than that, man. Well, Joe, so that is going to be a Hofdahl. Oh, no, that's the wrong one. Yep. This one's Oklahoma, so that one goes to Hofdahl. And that one goes to Utah. Well, that one's going to Gulf. Well, Gulf been hitting all right lately again, and other products. Still haven't hit them shit in the helmets, but that is going to wrap up that 2-boxer, guys. Well, we'll have to see. I'll grab a couple more, and we'll see how those go, but I definitely don't want to overbuy on them suckers, folks. For Rakers.TV, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitch, 8 p.m. Central Hobby, 2 pops break.